Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olson and today we're drawing George Washington. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Okay little artists, we are gonna start this picture of George Washington, and the first thing I wanna do is do a line here for his hat. And we're gonna start from the left side, going straight and doing a very long line to the right side. I'm leaving about 3 finger space in one side and 4 finger space in the other one. That's the space I'm leaving here. Next, I'm gonna do a curved line that goes over, and so it's gonna go up, and then we're gonna start going down, and then we're gonna go up again and close it right here. Now we're gonna do a curved line that goes across in between this space that we have here. And in this side, I wanna draw a flower that he has on his hat. And we're gonna start with a little circle. And then we're gonna do kind of like a wavy line that go around this circle. Just like that. Now we're gonna do this line double, like the line that we did here, and you're gonna try to follow the same shape. So I'm gonna leave a space and I'm gonna go up and down again. I'm just gonna follow the same shape, and when I get to the flower, I stop right there and I go behind the flower and going down. Let's do this line one more time now, leaving a space smaller in between. And I'm gonna go just one more time with my line. There, we have the hat. Now let's start with the face. And the first thing we're gonna do is leaving a big space here, and we're gonna do a curve. And that's how his hair is gonna start. And then after this curve, we're gonna do a letter C for the ear. Okay? Now I'm gonna leave the same space on this side, and we're gonna put here a little dot. So now we're gonna go from this letter C around to the dot just to do his face. And it's gonna look like this. I wanna go from underneath the letter C, going up and connecting. Now let's finish the hair. We're gonna leave a space and we're gonna go from the hat, and I'm gonna do these waves a little big, and we're gonna connect underneath the ear. In the other side, I want to do kind of like the same, starting from this corner, doing a little bit of curves, going around and connect it here with the face. Next, we're gonna do the eyes, and I'm gonna start with an oval shape, leaving a space after the ear, and we're gonna do an oval shape here. Now we're gonna do a long letter C, a backwards letter C for the nose. And after that, we're gonna do another oval shape for the eye. Now these oval shapes, I wanna fill it with black, but you can leave a little bit of a space on the top just to give a little bit of a shine in the eye. Or you can color all the eye black. Now let's do eyebrows here on the top, 1 and 2. And let's put a big smile. And we're gonna put 2 little lines at the end. Now let's continue with the body. Here underneath the mouth, we're gonna do a curved line for the neck. And this is a cartoon character, so the head is gonna be big and the body is gonna be small. Let's go from this curve out. This is the first arm, and one more. Underneath the curved line we did, we're gonna do kind of like a fussy cloth that he has on his neck, and we're gonna do letter U's. They start going down and going around and connecting to the other side. Now we're gonna leave a space here, and I'm gonna do one more line that goes down. I wanna leave a little bit of a space here, and I'm doing another one. Now from here, I'm gonna do kind of like a triangle shape. It goes out and connects. In the other side, the same, out and connects. And these are the sleeves or his suit. So we're gonna put here inside a little dot so it looks like a button. And now I can bring down this line going down and going down. Here and behind this triangle, let's put 2 more lines. So one here and one here. Now to finish his suit, I'm gonna go from this corner up with a curve. And in this side, I'm gonna do a different kind of thing. So we're gonna do this line double. So I'm gonna go down a little and going up and connect with the fuzzy cloth that we put here. So I'm gonna bring another line down and I wanna connect these two with a letter W. So it's gonna look like this, letter W. Here, let's put one more circle for a button. You can put also 2 more here for buttons. And now let's do his pants. So his pants are gonna be 2 letter U's that go together. So here is 1 and I go to the middle and let's do one more, 2 and connects right there. And if you still have room here, let's connect this line here. Now let's continue with the legs. We're gonna do here 1 and 2, 1 and 2. And we're gonna do 2 squares underneath. So the first one is here and don't close the bottom. And the second is here. It's more like a rectangle shape underneath each leg. Now let's do a square right after this line. So the square looks like this. And I'm doing another one here. And this is kind of like the buckle of his shoe. So inside you can do a small square and you can color that with black. And it's really tiny. And now we're gonna do a letter C for the heel. So it's gonna look like this, letter C and backwards letter C. And we're gonna do another curve that goes from this corner to the letter C, from this corner to the letter C. To finish this picture, we're gonna do the back of the hair. In between this corner, we're gonna do here a circle. We're gonna do a line that connects here and a line that goes out. And this one can go up. And I'm gonna put 2 little lines inside just to make it look more like a bow. And from the bow, his hair is gonna stick a little here. And it can even go down. And you can put 1, 2 lines inside so just look a little bit more like the hair. And there, that's it. We finished this picture of George Washington, the president. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how the picture turned out now that we put all the colors. Of course, you can change the colors of the suit if you want to, and you could put some background if you want in this picture. I hope you like this lesson and I hope it was easy for you to follow. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step and easy like this one. See you next time.